At least 1,873 children killed in Israeli strikes on Gaza in 2 weeks. At least 4,651 people have been killed in Israeli airstrikes on Gaza in the last 2 weeks, of which 40% are children. Gaza's health ministry released the latest death toll, adding that a further 14,245 have been wounded, with 70% of them also being children and women. Israel bombed Gaza, the West Bank, Syria and Lebanon overnight, and today as the conflict in the region enters its 3rd week. Warplanes struck targets across the besieged Strip and a mosque in the occupied West Bank allegedly used by Hamas militants, as well as 2 airports in Syria. It comes as an Israeli Defense Forces (IDF) spokesperson said Israel is planning to increase attacks on Gaza and enter a new phase of the war. During the last few hours, the Israeli military said it had hit a terrorist compound in Jenin, in the West Bank, which allegedly included a Hamas cell within a mosque. Palestinians also said they have been warned to move from northern Gaza to the south. For days, Israel has seemed to be on the verge of launching a ground offensive in Gaza as part of its response to Hamas' deadly rampage. Tanks and tens of thousands of troops have massed at the occupation line, while leaders have spoken of an undefined next stage in operations.